Modern militaries use drones for a lot of different purposes. A military drone is a plane with no driver, and it is controlled remotely from a different location somewhere else on the planet. They're quite peculiar-looking airplanes, and they often have very different kinds of propulsion systems. Let's draw this one today, capturing that odd shape that it's got, and those funny tailpieces too. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.